Hi, sir.
Hello Archie, how are you? Archie,
Yes, sir.
I had a talk with your father.
Yes. Yes, I
You know what topic
know that. I know that. Yes, I
uh,
know.
tell me what's the topic?
Topic of that exam of uh, this WBJE and all that.
Hmm. So what's I want to understand your opinion.
Opinion
Uh,
is that WBJE is more better than mains or advanced because it's easier to crack
no,
and get to
no,
colleges.
no, 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 no. It's not better than it means in advance. See, usually Archie, hmm, let me tell you. Usually, see, in our life, you must have actually you must have seen the things which are actually better in life are usually difficult.
Yes.
It's not that, and some it's the opinion of peoples. They think that easier things are sometimes they think easier things are better, but it's not so. It's not that.
Yes.
The truth is, see, the truth is WBJE in your case, WBJE is good for mostly the persons who are from or students who are from West Bengal or from this area. They actually prefer WBJE in that too. That college. What's the name? अरे यार
Jadavpur University. That
Jadavpur
one.
University.
Yes.
हाँ हाँ
JU
हाँ.
JU. Yes.
JU Jadavpur University is considered very good college. That's good also. The college is good also.
Yes.
There's no
Good
doubt.
college. Yes.
But
Yes.
at the same time, see, if we compare colleges by ranking, the college which is the IITs are the older IITs, not the newer one.
It's better than this.
The older IITs are
It's better
always
than
better
this.
than that because the tag with which you get the IIT tag from the older institutes, and the level of teaching also and the competition also you'll get there is good, better. The most creamiest student or the most competitive students you will find there only, most stringent. And why we say the those colleges are good, because the number of students who get there, they are actually intelligent.
Yes.
So you in the process of learning in these 4 years, you learn from the professors also, and you learn from your fellow mates also,
Yes.
those
Yes.
students, because someone will be good in something else, someone will be good in something else, and the
Yes.
technologies and the creativity is more, so the things that you will be learning will be more. And
Yes.
also you will learn because the other student will be working very harder, so you will get the motivation of working more harder, because IIT
Yes.
students are actually
Competition and all that.
competition is more. The IIT students are respected because they work harder than other students. That's
Yes.
important. Now coming to this Jadavpur University, the Jadavpur University is also considered good. The campus is good, everything is good. It's
Yes.
very much
Yes.
recognized, and the West Bengal government also spends so much on that. But
Yes.
but when we compare with the IITs, because see, in Jadavpur University, the students will be mostly from West Bengal, but in the IITs, the students will be from all over India,
Whole India. Yes.
whole India. So, what I would suggest, the same thing I have told to your father, if you are able to get into IIT, means if you prefer to be in your West Bengal or in
West
your
Bengal
state
only,
only,
then I can choose
then choose IIT Kharagpur.
IIT Kharagpur.
If you are able
Or
to get good rank, IIT Kharagpur,
yes.
or see, it's not a matter, Archie. If you are getting into IIT, you have got some good rank, then go for IIT. Other IITs also, they are good. But if you are getting if you did not get older IITs with good rank, then go for the Jadavpur universities instead of NITs. That's better,
Yes. Okay. Yes.
like that. So give
Mhm.
equal importance, and the examination you have seen, it's not much difficult, but more importance is given to mathematics. So uh,
This is
work
mathematics is
according.
half half
Mm.
portion,
Half of the
half
50%,
portion of
50% is
this.
mathematics only. So focus accordingly. Now see, as your exam is approaching near, na, your
Yes.
habit should be to invest more time in solving mock test papers.
Of test.
To time based paper solving you do, and after that paper is over, just try to analyze, because most of your syllabus is completed.
Yes, yes.
So important topics are only left, and that too,
Mhm.
that difficult problems I'm trying to give you in every class. So
Yes.
I'm trying to increase your level. So what you do in in this meantime, you try to give your mock test of mathematics, and after the test is over, try to see where you're lacking, whether you're lacking in speed, whether you're lacking in accuracy, whether you are not comfortable in solving questions of some topic, especially
Yes.
that you identify. Accordingly, you work on your weak areas and try to strengthen them.
Okay.
This is actually the right time. You are actually doing good. Means you are at the right position, right time to improve. So the
Mhm.
small loopholes that that you are getting, at the same time give WBJE examination mock test also, and try to see where you are lacking and how will you increase the speed. If you are lacking in speed, try to do more mental calculations and all. Try to apply the
Yes, yes.
shortcut methods, if you
Shortcuts.
shortcuts and all like that you do. So work on them. Acha, tell me, did you do this?
Yes, yes. I solved this. Option B is the answer. 90 seconds.
Okay, okay, good. Actually, what your father said, you gave one paper out of
Yes,
110
yes, yes.
marks. 110 paper was 110 marks, na?
Uh, no, no. Maths was of 100 marks.
100. Out of 100, you got
100.
what, 34 or
100.
35?
I scored, I think, wait, 40 I scored. Yes, 40.
Acha, 40. Did you analyze that paper?
Yes, yes, I did that analysis.
What did you feel?
Speed is slow.
The speed
Means
is low.
I could solve more.
Hmm. But
Speed was
not in time.
yes, yes.
Hmm. So for that, what you are doing?
So that I mean improving my speeds and practicing more so that my speed is less
Huh? You try
doing
to
mentally
see when you are doing the questions, na, try to do more mental calculation by yourself, I told, no?
mental preparation.
Hmm. And do not
Yes,
always try to get the final answer. It's not necessary. Try
yes, yes.
try to frame the equation, find the equation, and then if you are able
And
to
then
solve it,
solve it in mind.
solve in mind. And if you are able to solve the question by using putting some dummy variables also, some dummy numbers or coordinates, look for that also.
Okay.
Okay, try solving this one. Hmm. In this case, it is different. That is easy. I think you've got the answer. Actually, this is more than one answer correct.
Okay, okay. B and C.
No, I think they're saying A and C. Let me check. They're saying A and C.
So can you show us what is
Hmm.
wrong?
Let me see. See, this we have got A is equal to alpha, AB square is equal to beta. Hmm. Here, the equation is x square by a square plus y square by a square b square is equal to 1. So a square b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square will get. So b square is equal to 1 minus e square will get. From the second equation, a into 1 minus e square is equal to beta. Here we are getting plus or minus because the locus they want plus or minus. If you multiply both sides a square into 1 minus e square is equal to beta into a, you'll get a square minus ae whole square is equal to beta into a. Ae is alpha. So now to find out the locus, beta should be replaced with y, alpha should be replaced with x. So either we'll be getting x square plus ya is equal to a square. This is one equation. X square minus ya is equal to a square is equal to the second equation now. X square minus ya is equal to a square. This is the first one. X square plus ay is equal to a square. The second. A and C we are getting. Correct, Archie? See, what I am predicting now, what mistake you must have done. You must have done the mistake here. Right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because you must have taken b square
Okay.
here.
Opposite.
B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Be very careful what type of ellipse is given to you. Okay. The question was
Okay.
not difficult. Try to see this one. This is also multiple answer correct. More than one answer. Now, Archie, you are able to understand how the diagram would be.
Yes, yes. It
So
will run
just
yes.
cross check. This is your ellipse. The
One answer
peak.
is D.
One answer
One
is
answer is D.
one answer is D. You are saying, right? Let me check the answer.
Yes.
No,
What do?
they are saying B and C. That's why I'm telling. Just try to see how the diagram is. See, this is one lattice rectum. This is other lattice rectum.
Yes. So the end points are root 3 comma plus minus half end points.
So you found out.
Yes. Yes.
So these the right one, na? Root 3 comma plus half and root 3 comma
And
minus half.
minus half. Yes.
What about this? Minus root 3.
Okay. Yes, minus root 3 because it's the
Hmm.
opposite side.
Minus root 3 comma minus half. Okay. Now what they are saying, x and y1, x2, y2, y1 and y2 are less than 0. That means these 2 points. This is P and this is Q. Be the endpoints of lattice rectum of the ellipse. The equation parallel lattice rectum PQ. We have to find out the equation of the ellipse, or equation of the parabola with lattice rectum as PQ. This is the lattice rectum of this parabola.
So P and Q are the same points, means the opposite points in the x-axis or y-axis. So it's not clear in the no the question that it is P and Q is that or P and Q is the top one and the
No, no, no,
bottom
no,
one.
no, 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 no. Because the top one cannot be, na. Because x and y1, x2, y2 are there. They have also given that y1 is less than 0 and y2 is also less than
Oh
0.
yes, 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 yes. Oh, okay. That also you have to consider.
That you have to consider. That's why I've taken this. But the question that you can put is, sir, whether the parabola that you have drawn, this would be at the parabola, or the other also I can draw.
Yes,
Both of them you can draw.
both of the both of the I can draw. So it's both B and C.
But
That's right.
how will you get the equation of parabola? Same thing.
So you can substitute the points and check in the options. That's the shortest way.
That's the shortest way. You can just try to find whether you're getting which of them are satisfying. I think the answer that they have given is B and C. B and C should satisfy. But can you think how to find out the equation of the parabola?
So first we can take that x square equals to 4ay and then find the find the find the value of a from there, and then that's the equation. But it's not that the vertex is at the point 0 comma 0. So we can't do that.
Uh-huh. See,
Is
what I would
it's a
suggest, now
random
see,
point.
to find out the equation of parabola in normal method, you will have to find out this vertex. Now the thing is, see, the PQ are the end points of the lattice rectum of this.
That's it. Yes.
So actually, we know for a parabola, the lattice rectum,
Will
the
pass to the focus.
for the
I think.
it passes through the focus, right? And focus should be the midpoint of PQ, correct?
Yes, yes.
Because these two are
Like that
equal.
we can do.
So the coordinate of the focus should
0
be
comma minus half.
0 comma minus half. Very good. Focus we have got. Acha, you will have to find out the value of A also.
Yes.
The length of this, if you see, the length of this lattice rectum PQ is of what? 2 root 3. And the length of the lattice rectum is 4A actually.
Yes, 4. Yes. So A is root
Root
3 by
3
2.
by 2. A is root
And
3
now
by
we
2.
can find the directrix equation and then apply that the focus from the the curve parabola is 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 equal to the distance between the curve and
Uh,
the directrix, like that we
because
can
see,
then
we have found out it lies on the y-axis. The principal axis lies on the y-axis. Correct?
yes,
So,
ellipse one.
uh, for this ellipse, this
Yes,
parabola. Now the thing is, this distance we know it should be a. So this point is 0 comma minus half. So the vertex should be either above that, means you have to
yes,
add root 3 by 2 with that,
or
or minus it,
subtracted.
subtract
Yes,
it. So the vertex should be either, I'll give you the two vertex. So the vertex will be
0
either 0
comma
comma
minus 1,
minus half
minus
minus
1.
root 3 by 2,
Yes,
or 0
minus root 3
comma
by 2. Yes,
minus half plus root 3 by
plus
2.
root 3 by 2. Yes.
You have
Now
got the
we
vertex.
got the equation. Now we can do
uh,
y minus that equals to 4a into x minus zeta. Means
y
x
minus
minus
beta,
that square,
uh, y minus beta whole
x
square is
square
equal to 4
equals
into
to
x.
2 root 3 into y minus that.
Correct. X minus alpha whole square is equal to x square is equal to 4a y minus beta. Like that. Like that you'll
Yes.
get it.
Yes.
Very good one. Question was good. And what answer you were getting? B and C, na?
Yes, BMs.
Good one. This was good. So try solving this one. One is multiple choice. Yeah, this is one more multiple choice. This was, I think, asked in 2018 advance. These questions are of advanced level. Means somewhat trickier, but not that difficult, but
Yes.
somewhat trickier. Hmm. Try to solve this.
So Q point is minus 1 comma 0. Q point means I'm getting that minus 1 comma 0.
Uh,
Is it?
Wait. What you're saying? Answer?
I'm saying that no, not the answer. I'm saying that Q is minus 1 comma 0. Is it?
Q is minus 1 comma 0. Line
Q
intersect
point.
at point Q. Let me see whether two straight lines. No.
I've found out the point. Wait, now I'm finding the answer. Wait.
Oh, what is that? Where they have given? What you're saying, Archie? Q is what? Minus 1 comma 0.
Q, yes, minus 1 comma 0.
Ah, minus 1 comma, correct. Ah, he is also getting my. Hmm, correct.
Then I think first is wrong. First option is wrong because lattice data is coming as 2, not 1.
I think first is wrong. No,
Yes, because
they're saying
yes,
no,
because A is 2 and B is root 2 means
no, Archie.
is
Archie,
already there that B is root 2.
he's saying A and C are the correct answer.
Okay. So A how means if I know the Q point, then I know and the equation of the ellipse. So x square by 4 plus y square by 2 equals to 1 is the equation of the ellipse.
Equation of the ellipse is
X square by 4 plus y square by 2 equal to 1.
two
This is the
straight
equation.
line. Wait. X. This is the circle. One is circle.
The circle is
One
there,
is
ellipse is
parabola.
there, rule is there. Three curves are there.
Intersect point Q. Consider the ellipse whose center is at the origin and whose semi-major axis is OQ. Hmm. Semi-major axis is OQ. The length of the minor axis of the ellipse is root 2. Then which of the following statement are correct? Eccentricity is the semi-major axis is what? Semi-major axis is OQ. And OQ is 1. Yes, na? OQ is 1.
OQ is 1. Yes, OQ
So
is 1.
2A will be 2. Major axis length is 2. Hmm. The length of the minor axis of B is equal to root 2 they have given.
U is 2 or A is 2? Because semi-major axis, half of A is 1. So A is 2.
No, Archie.
That.
In an ellipse, if you see in an ellipse, this is 0 comma 0, na? So the points they are A comma 0 and minus A comma 0.
Yes,
So
yes.
that means semi-major axis is A, na? This is A, na?
Okay, yes. Major axis is the full thing. 2A.
Major axis is
Okay.
2A.
Yes.
So A
That
you
was
have
my mistake.
Q. This is this. OQ is a semi-major axis. Q point you have found out as minus 1 comma 0. So this is 1. B is root 2. A is 1. So B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square is there. So 2 is equal to 1 minus E square. That means E is equal to 1 should be there. A option is wrong. A is wrong?
No, no, wait.
No.
E is I think 1 by
Mm,
root 2 only because
no.
it
Correct,
is
correct,
the
correct.
reverse one now.
This is
Because
reverse one.
B is greater than A here, not
Correct,
A greater
correct,
than.
correct. The ellipse is different kind. I actually did not see it. The ellipse that is, it's like this. This is a comma 0, this is minus a comma 0, and this is 0 comma b, and this is 0 comma minus b. So for this is the ellipse. So you will have a square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square, right? A square is 1, b square is 2 into 1 minus e square. So e square will be 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So e will be 1 by root 2, correct? 1 by root 2. And the length of the lattice rectangle 2b square by a. No. It's 2a square by b.
Yes, 2 is correct because the opposite one.
So it will be 2 into what is a? A is 1, b is root 2. So root 2. Why I'm getting wrong answer? Length of lattice rectangle, why it is 1?
Is
It is 2a square by b, na?
yes, so yes, it should be 1 by root 2, but no, 1 only, but oh, yes, I mean root 2.
What is the mistake? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is there. Hey, wait. Length of the minor axis. Array, yaar. Archie, one more mistake we have done. The length of the minor axis they have given us. So 2b is equal to root 2 should be there. B must be equal to 1 by root 2.
Okay, yes, please.
Hmm.
This minor axis is
So,
the full thing, not only the semi one.
yes. So it will be 1 by 2. Still, I think we are getting 1 minus 1 by 2. It will be 1 by 2. Then why we are getting an
Still, it's
imaginary answer we are
still,
getting? No, now we'll get the answer. But why we are getting wrong answer in this case? So, why we are getting e as negative values? B square is equal to a square is equal to b square into 1 minus e square is the formula.
yes,
A is
yes.
1.
Now it came, I think. Now it came. Yes, E is 1 by root 2 and LR is 1. Yes, it came.
And that too, the formula that we were applying, na, formula is same. The
Same one only, not
ellipse
opposite
was
one.
this one only.
A is greater than B only. Huh?
Hmm. A is greater than b only. See, silly mistakes. B square is equal to a square, b square is equal to a square. It will be 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 1 minus e square. Now we'll get the answer. So e is equal to 1 by root 2. And the length of the lattice rectangle is 2a square by b is 1 square. B is what? What is b? Array, what I am doing? 2 is square. It's 2b square by a, na?
Yes, so
2b
2
square
into
by
half by 1.
2 by 2 into 1. So it will be 1. Now, option A is correct, right? What is the other option they're saying? The question is not difficult actually. We were doing actually silly mistakes that was.
Yes. Easy only.
Hmm.
Lengthy.
Huh.
Lengthy.
It's not lengthy also, Archie. Not lengthy. Once you have found out the point Q, na, it's not difficult. And what formula you were using? Y is equal to mx plus a by m, using that you are
Yes, yes,
solving,
yes,
na?
yes.
Hmm.
Yes, slow form. Slow form.
Slow form. Slow form is actually very convenient in solving. Now, after this, they are saying C is also correct. The area of region bounded by the ellipse between the lines this and this. So one line they are saying this one. This is x is equal to 1 and this is x is equal to 1 by root 2.
By root 1 by root 2 and y will be half. Y coordinate is half.
Acha, for x is equal to 1 by root
Half
2.
and minus half. It's half and minus half.
Okay, but how you'll find out the area? You have to integrate it.
Yes, from 1 to 1 by root 2. Sorry.
1 by root
Uh,
2 to 1.
yes.
X square by 1 plus y square by half is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 2 into x square minus 1 root over. You have to integrate this from 1 by root 2 to 1 to get the area. 1 by root 2 to 1, twice of this. 1, take outside root 2, root over x square minus 1 dx, and then see what area you are getting. You must get this 1 by 4 root 2 into y minus 2.
Yes, it came.
Game? Okay. These questions were good, na?
Yes.
In the next class, na,
Very right.
I'll give you.
Very right.
Yeah, they were easy but tricky.
Yes.
But these kinds of questions are only asked. These kinds of questions they usually give in advanced examination unless the paper is too tough, like 2026, like that.
And like in 16.
2016, like 2016. But whenever they give these kinds of paper, na, in these types of papers, usually the paper is tough, means it's tough for everyone. So accuracy becomes the key.
Becomes low.
Because
Yes.
the cutoff goes low, so low.
Yes.
Do not just tick the answers.
Yes. Yes.
Let me end this class. In the next class, we'll do passage type questions also.
Okay.
Okay.